Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I have an awesome item for you today. It is a padded camping chair. It comes with a carrying bag. It is so easy to use and it has a cup holder and a pocket. You're gonna love this. So this is how easy it is to put up. It's like 1, 2, 3 and voila. It is open. It is sturdy. This holds up to 450 pounds. It's sort of like a hug, this chair. I love it. So this is up close. You have this little pocket here. That's great for your cell phone. Look at that padding. Super thick, super comfy, really sturdy. The stitching is awesome. You have the steel frame, which is awesome. And then there is the pocket for your drink. I mean, I'm telling you, this is quality. You have the wider feet on the bottom, and you can see this is just really, really well made. So the seat is 17.8 inches by 28.7 inches, and the chair is 37.9 inches high. The chair itself weighs 14 pounds and it supports up to 450 pounds. The fabric is this amazing Oxford fabric, which is highly resistant to wear, and it really keeps its appearance looking great. The chair is filled with cotton, and the frame is heavy duty steel. It's super easy to carry, super easy to put up, super easy to take down. I am obsessed with this. This would be a great gift for anyone who spends time camping or who follows their kids around with a sports team. I mean, come on now, be comfy. So I'm loving this and I think you will too. I highly recommend.